up, everybody? Welcome back to another video today. Another Retro Bowl rebuild. I'll be rebuilding the Atlanta Falcons. This was a request by one of my friends, Zero IQ Bed Wars. I'll put his channel in the description down below if you would like. So we're gonna just hop right into this. Let me rewrite this. Sorry, I'm a little sick right now. So, it's gonna do retro goat. So let's do it. We're going to be reviewing the Atlanta Falcons. Let's go. Start with 15. We're going to skip tutorial with my team. Oh, Lord, I have to trade him. Want to, but I have to. So let's just hop right into this game. Can't call an audible in the first game. I forgot. Just got to work with what I got. Okay, gonna run for pick up about 13 yards down to the 43. Hand it off again. That was an accident. But if it gets me yards, I'll go with it. Okay. Yeah, look at that. You can't. I mean, remorse. You're going to remorse in the end zone. Or they're going to remorse when I get to the end zone. And it's good as always. I will be doing the Retro Bowl at the end of this. Let me know if I should keep this save. Let me know down below. Ooh, you wish you were that good, Carolina. I'm too good. I am the GOAT. No, I'm not. Self-title. I am the Retro Bowl GOAT. And the extra point is up, and it is good. We're going to go for it again. We're going to run the ball on this play, though. Stiff arm, going to make a man miss. He's going to get in for the touchdown. There you go. And the kick is up, and it is good. Belt to you know what. There I go. Going to get some yards and get out of bounds. Going to get some very good yards here. That should be fairly good. It was kick 53-yarder. And does it have enough? It does not. That's not good. Ooh. We are going to go for this touchdown. We're going to try to throw it to my running back. There we go. Sorry for this background noise. I have some brothers and sisters that are fairly loud on Sundays. At the time I'm filming this, the Cowboys are, at the moment, losing to the Broncos 14-10. So I hope that'll change because it'll really help my fantasy team out. Yeah, I'm gonna need it to help. Really gonna need to. Ooh, that was trash. We're gonna throw the ball. The Falcons wish they could play this good. Yeah, but I can rebuild anybody and make them good. One thing I wish Retro Bowl would make an update of is that, like, if you had like Retro Bowl college and you had a freshman that was sitting behind like a senior, if you could switch them out like at halftime or something, wish they could make an update like that. But they'll never do that. But like you can with Hoopland. Hoopland's another really fun game that I really love to play. And pick up the first down on that play. We're going to run it into the end zone for the touchdown. 13-yard rushing touchdown by my running back. That's gonna put this game on ice. I may keep some of these players. I may trade my kicker and defensive player. Maybe like my running back, but other than that, these quarterbacks fairly good. I may draft me some tight ends, keep this wide receiver. Just because the wide receiver isn't terrible. May draft some tight ends, keep the quarterback and wide receiver, trade everybody else to get some picks. Tight ends are clutch. I don't care what people say. You can pick up one in the third round and he'd be really good. The extra point snuck in on that. Whoo! Barely. We do get up to 4 and 13. Praise fans, because quarterback had, they played pretty good today. Skip and Green Bay beat Buffalo in the Retro Bowl. That'll never happen. We're gonna re-sign him. We will trade him. I know my fans were not particularly happy about that, but then you get traded. We're keeping everybody else. Ooh, he is not good. I don't know. I do need a 5-star. Yeah, he's mine. I'll take it. I'll take Sanchez. Harry, yeah, he's kind of trash, but tight ends are so clutch. C-rated now. Get some draft picks. We'll take HN. Draft is over. So we'll do this game real quick and we will call it. I think I did pretty good this year in the draft. Oh, I did very good. This running back's great. Sorry, that was my little sister. She's 2 years old right now. She is very loud. She's learned how to talk now too, which is very cool. I thought that was gonna be picked. Yep. Oh, hey. No, no, no. 51 yards. What a great play. We're going to go for 2 because I don't really trust the kicker right now at the moment. That was a bad throw. We will throw it on 1st and 10 with no time left in the first quarter. And we'll go for the touchdown just because that's what I do. And go big or go. Wow, I did not mean to die. That was so bad. What? Sorry, that was embarrassing. I can't do it like I did in that movie. That kick is good. Okay. 21-0. Putting the belt to you know what. Achane gonna pick up about 17 yards to 37 of Tennessee. Gonna hand it off to Jalapeno. Oh, wait. Jalapeno? I don't know. I need some help with that. No, I'm not. Can't pronounce things particularly well. It's one thing I cannot do. Grammar and stuff like that is not my strong suit. I mean, heck. We can call timeout here. We may hand this off. Because my running back's really good. Jalapeno. Okay, that was not good. That's not a good play. I don't trust my kicker here particularly. I don't trust my kicker from here particularly. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna try to get it to a tight end here. Come on, get there. Oh, he didn't. I think he got that. I'm gonna watch that replay real quick. I can't watch the replay. He should have gotten that. Yeah, we're gonna come back for our touchdown we should have gotten. Okay. Nice block. What a good block. Yeah, I'm trying to get this. Okay. Yeah, the Falcons wish they were this good. They do have a good running game though in real life. Now today was they won. They lost 10-34 to the Miami Dolphins. You can't do that. You can't lose to the Dolphins. The Dolphins are trash. They have Tua turn the ball over because he turns the ball over a lot. I'm sorry. Clear my throat. Ooh. Watch him run. Watch that white man run. It's me right there. It's me if I were running back. Nah, I'm more Cam Scatterboo. I like to run into people. What happened? What happened just then? Man, I'm trying to build a Atlanta Falcons dynasty here. My record for most passing touchdowns on like on my career playing retro ball is 118, I think. And for some reason, one time when I downloaded it, it gifted me 28 coach credits, which was really weird. I don't know why it did that. That was a missed extra point right there. Okay, let's just try to win. No, that ball was not for you. That ball was not for you. Just try to get as many yards as possible. 35-30. And it gets to the 25, down to the 20s, and 15, the 10, the 5, touchdown, coast, not coast to Carolina. That's another rebuild. Touchdown Atlanta. Atlanta wish they could score this many points. Yeah, man, that man was like Aaron Rodgers. Oh, that was a good game. Anyways, please remember to like and subscribe. I will hopefully see y'all in the next video, Lord willing. And I'm trying to get this channel up to 100 subscribers. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.